Biotechnology is merging with AI and robotics, opening new possibilities for healthcare and human enhancement. Breakthroughs. CRISPR gene editing. Scientists are using CRISPR to treat genetic disorders and improve crop resilience. Prosthetics and exoskeletons. Advanced prosthetics and wearable exoskeletons are enhancing mobility and strength. Lab-grown organs. Researchers are developing lab-grown organs, offering hope to patients on transplant waiting lists. Ethical questions. Designer babies. The ability to edit human embryos raises moral and societal concerns. Equity and access. Ensuring these advancements are accessible to all, not just the wealthy, is a growing concern. The concept of the metaverse, a virtual, immersive internet, is gaining traction, with tech giants like Meta, Google, and Apple investing heavily. Features. Virtual reality, VR. VR headsets are becoming more affordable, enabling new experiences in gaming, education, and remote work. Blockchain integration, decentralized finance, DeFi, and non-fungible tokens, NFTs, are fueling new business models in the digital realm. Challenges. Adoption. The metaverse's high entry cost and technological requirements limit its user base. Regulation. Governments are grappling with how to regulate digital currencies and virtual spaces. Technology is reshaping education and the workforce in profound ways. Changes in education. Online learning. Platforms like Coursera and Khan Academy are democratizing education. AI tutors. Personalized learning experiences powered by AI are improving student outcomes. Workforce trends. Remote work. Technology has enabled the rise of remote and hybrid work models. Reskilling initiatives. Programs are helping workers adapt to automation and AI-driven changes. The rapid pace of technological advancement is raising profound ethical and philosophical questions. What does it mean to be human in an age of AI and augmentation? How do we balance progress with the need for privacy, equity, and sustainability? Racial inequality remains a deeply entrenched issue in the U.S., influencing everything from education to the criminal justice system. Historical context. The